In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to remove unwanted values, specifically nulls, from filters in Tableau. This can really help in cleaning up your visualizations and ensuring that your data is presented clearly. Let's dive right in. First, launch your Tableau application. If you haven't already, open it up and get ready to start working within your data set. Once you're in, go ahead and access your worksheet. This is where the real work happens. Find your data source and make sure it's ready for manipulation. Next, you're going to drag the sales field onto the columns shelf. This action will plot your sales data along the horizontal axis of your worksheet, allowing you to visualize it in relation to other dimensions or measures. Now, drag the customer name field to the rows shelf. This step will organize your data vertically by customer, which is often useful for sales data, giving you a clear view of each customer's sales figures. Following this setup, click on the postal code field. You'll want to create a set from this field. Select Create, then choose Set. A new window will appear, asking you to name the set. Pick a name that makes sense to you and describes what you're doing. In the Set Creation window, you'll see an option to select all values. Do this first. Then, if you notice any null values in the list, uncheck them. This simple action will exclude those unwanted nulls from your analysis. Once you finish, click OK to confirm your choices. Now, drag your newly created postal code set to the filters shelf. This action will filter your worksheet according to the criteria you just set up, excluding those pesky null values from your visualization. If you're exploring another approach, you can drag sales to the columns shelf again, then drag customer name to the rows shelf, replicating the steps from earlier. After setting this up, drag the postal code field to the filters. In the filter window, ensure that all values are selected and click OK. Next, you'll want to show this filter on your worksheet for easier access. Click on Postal Code and select Show Filter. Head over to the filter displayed on the right side of your screen, click on its drop-down menu, and choose Only Relevant Values. This option ensures that your data is filtered dynamically based on the context. Finally, duplicate your postal code field and drag this copy to the filters. Just as before, select all values, uncheck any nulls, and confirm with OK. Once done, drag this filter under the marks field in your worksheet, and there you have it. By following these steps, you can effectively manage and eliminate unwanted null values from your filters in Tableau, resulting in cleaner, more precise data visualizations. Thanks for watching, and happy data analyzing.